So as you can see here, we have downloaded APIs. You can see your files and folders here. So it says that your API key. Where's your API key? You're gonna go time store. You're gonna go upload section, and you're gonna click on it. You're gonna click on get API keys. So let's get API keys. I'm gonna getting my API keys. I'm gonna put it into that here. Oh, by the way, you need to only change the two things, which is API URL, which is referred to this API. So in this case, as you can see the top here in our site test/test. So let's do that. Yes. So yeah, we done it well. We have the pass, which is Unity required to autoload file. As you can see, it's pretty easy. So that's all what you need to do. So we are ready to go. So let's refreshing the page. We see that here image that's not which is not represented. It means that, you know, we required here image. As you can see, it says that hey folder, hey, your image folder, it's here, your image folder, which is located here. We can see that. Let's click on it. It's here. Okay, let's click on it, and as you can see, we have the images. I have uploaded these images. Okay, as you can see, it's here. Let's click to open the connected folder. It's this folder. It's gonna say that, hey folder, give me folder named image. As you can see, we haven't image, that's why it doesn't show. So let's comment it because we haven't any image yet. I will show it for a minute. Okay, let's look at it. Okay, as you can see, we can choose the images from here. I'm gonna choose this 3 image. I'm gonna upload them. So as you can see, the request is gone and it's upload our images. So guess what? Where is it gonna go? It's gonna to our images folder. Let's open it. As you can see, the images, as you say that I want to upload, it's here. It's in your folder. It means that your website gonna working with your own online operating system. And we are your own Resize engine will resize and will care about all image processes for you. So here you go, you see the images here. So we want to call this image. We want to call this image in our page. So how we can do that? So we just open it and we say that image name here. We need to call the image name, and you will call get image URL, and it's the sizes width 200, height 200. It's the magic here. If you whatever you say, it's gonna do that. Okay, let's refresh it. So as you can see here, image. Let's check it. As you can see here, let's go the recorder another way. Okay, yeah. As you can see here, 200 to the 200 pixel. So if you want to resize it to the 200, I don't know, let's do big things because, you know, it's just crazy thing. Okay, let's refresh. As you can see, we require 1000 to 1000 image. So you can't see here, but you can see here, you know. But it's all depends. I mean, like, you don't need to save exact same sizes. If your business grow, you can change it whatever time you want to change. So let's do this. Let's request tiny little image. Let's refresh it. Here we go. We have a little image here. As you can see, you can resize to the any size you want. Any size you want. All of them will be carried via your own online operating system. Your own Resize engine will care about all processes. So I remember I said you that this website, no, this API able to download the drag and drop. So it's pretty like a magic, but it's the truth. As you can see, it's the folders that in my computer, and I'm gonna drag it to here and say that, hey, you drag here folders here. I'm gonna drag it, hey, drop here. I'm gonna drop it, and I'm gonna upload all of them. And of course, it's gonna go here. Here you go. You put it. Imagine that you put this upload button to your website, and someone gonna just take the image and drop it here, and gonna drop your folder. It's from the absolutely another site, absolutely another system, but it can accept your website requests, which sounds pretty crazy, but it solves a lot of problems. So you say that, okay, it's pretty cool. It solved my all problems. What about how I can save this image name to call it again? So it's just pretty simple. Okay, as you can see, I can give an example. I have created a save button here. When I save it, it's gonna show all uploaded images, current uploaded images. So you can see them. Even it has a filters that if you upload not image file, it's not gonna upload it. It's pretty secure, pretty super secure, and it's just work like a magic. So let's go to the topics that how we can get in the uploaded image name. So here, NewTimeBox OOS uploader get uploaded file names. Just like that, you get all uploaded images. So you can put in, so when user click on it, you're gonna open the AJAX request to your server, so you can save this image file names in your database, so you can call it again like that. You're gonna say that image name from your database, you call it which size that you want, and it's gonna just working like a magic. It's gonna call your images from your own folder, and it will just work. So you say that, wow, it's just pretty cool, but what about storage? No, the best thing is you don't need to store your images. You don't need to store them. You know that it's not suggested to store your images in your own server if you haven't, I don't know, millions of dollars to pay for your servers. So we are doing for you. We are doing for you here. We are storing your all images. And so you say that if my images push the limits, what will happen? You don't need to worry about it. You can just upgrade your plan. Here go, rent more space. Just like that. It's pretty simple. We will upgrade it again and again. We will add a terabyte, 100 terabyte, and all that. So you can choose whatever path you want to choose. So I want to choose this. Save. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I saved that. Now I have a lot of space. So it's pretty cool functionality. So you can contact it with your website. So your website will be pretty much more fast than before version. So thank you for listening. Please subscribe to see our new technologies, and please like the videos to show your interest. Thank you.